Wagwan family, welcome back to 876 Zone TV. It's me Anisha, and the mu music or the song that I'll be doing a video on today is one of my favorites. It's a Vybz Kartel. But yeah, my God, this make una hear the tune. Uno will see why I like it. Alright. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video and let's do this. Play.
Pimpin', you're thinking what me thinking, but me a go fuss you for that girl there. How would I wine pan her? Hey, girl, are you me want? Fulfill my dream. Come wine up on me.
Wanna hear the beat here? Wanna hear the beat pan that tune here? Alright? Not just listen to the beat now. Listen to the lyrics of the song here. Play a tune.
Now on your name, slow motion. Beat for your heart, why need emotion? The style where you give me smooth no lotion. It make the wave them a rise up in a me ocean. You no brace from far, you give me the close one. And that alone a make the loving so strong. Me want buy a ring where value 30,000. Cause you fi be me wife, me fi be your husband. Baby, me love the way you whine. You put a
boy, me no know. That song here, body. Me don't know why me love that song here. Anytime me down, I'ma play the Kartel here. It just lift me spirit, man. So play a tune again.
a smile pa me face, yeah, girl. Stick on pa me body, embrace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. Baby, me nah go let you go. Pimpin' the pa you case, yeah, girl. Hold on pa me body, embrace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. That one your name, P plus crew. Just show it.
You hear that? That one her name, P plus crew. Just through we brace up like sweethearts do. How would they get them treatment there? Wanna tell me in the comments. Play it tune.
Brace up like sweethearts do. Girl, me see you want me and they want you. Cause the way you love me tight, they for brace pass through. And you alone, me say me no say train or two. Cause me know you will do anything when he asks you. So come on me yard, come have me for dinner. And in the morning have me for breakfast too. Baby, me love the way you whine. You put a smile pa me face, yeah, girl. Stick on pa.
Yo, all who have them spooky and them bay and who then have pan the side. Play that tune here night time, man. You don't know things are go down. Play it here.
Me body embrace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. Baby, me nah go let you go. Pimpin' the pa you case, yeah, girl. Hold on pa me body embrace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. Pimpin', you're thinking what me thinking, but me a go fuss you for that girl there. How would I wine pan her?
Pause. Me sorry say that song you not have one music video, cause yo, the beat on this song here alone, yo, the video done shot. Play.
Hey, girl, are you me want? Fulfill my dream. Come wine up on me. Baby, me love the way you whine. You put a smile pa me face, yeah, girl. Stick on pa me body, embrace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl. Baby, me nah go let you go. Pimpin' the pa you case, yeah, girl. Hold on pa me body, embrace, yeah, girl. Me love when you wind up your waist, yeah, girl.
Spicy and nice. The song just spicy and nice. 3 minutes that, you know. 3 minutes of the song that. And he come like, we don't want things. Yo, Kartel. So, anyways, guys, that was slow motion Vybz Kartel. Hope you guys like that. I love the beat of that song, they me not lie. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did a rock and a do nothing, you see me? So, like, comment, share, subscribe. You see it? Let us build the thing and join the thing. You see me? And once again, suggestions are always welcomed in the comment sections below, so you can do that. And that's it, guys. Short and spicy. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as usual. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? So next video, see it. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Once again, it's Anisha and I'm out.